Hello friends, welcome to RRS channel. Today we are going to discussing the tuple data types in Python. So in this video, how to creating the empty tuple, how to creating the tuple along with the elements, how to deleting the object from tuple object from the Python, and how Python tuple object supporting the duplicate elements. These kind of things we will discuss clearly in this video only. So actually Python supports some kind of features only. Those are the Python support tuple object. Tuple is a immutable object. Tuple supports homogeneous heterogeneous elements. Tuple allows duplicate elements. Tuple support concatenation and repetition. Tuple support concatenation and repetition. Tuple supports indexing and slicing. So these features are the tuple has. So let us discuss one by one only. The first one is create empty tuple. So in this way we can create the empty tuple in multiple ways only. So through using the parentheses, through using the tuple function, through using the some specific elements only. So in the first way is now I am going to run this code. So this is the empty tuple for creating the empty tuple one. And the second one is the tuple function. Print t1 print type of t1 and run this code. So this is the creating the empty tuple. These two ways only we can create in the empty tuple. Now second way is creating tuple along with elements. So equal of 1 and enter print type of t. I am commented above so I am running this code. If we clearly observe that if we declare the parenthesis only, that is Python interpreted, that is internally that is treated as a tuple object. But here also I am using the parenthesis only. Inside the parenthesis I am declaring the one element only, but I am trying to print that object and also finding the type of that object only. But here also it will return the element 1 and also it will return the class type means int only. The major difference is if you define the single item inside the parenthesis only, the Python interpreter that is considered as a int object, not to tuple object. So to overcome this one only, after the item only we can mention the comma only. Now again we run this file only, it will treated as a tuple data type. It will treated as a tuple data type. Okay. And second approachment is the parentheses are optional in tuple. Parentheses are optional in tuple. But in other data type, so in the coming to list data type, square brackets are added. But in the tuple objects, tuple data type, parentheses are optional. Now I am going to run this code only. Here also you can see clearly observe that. So I am printing. See 1 2 3. But in the previously here also I am using the parentheses. But in the line number 295, I didn't use any parentheses only. Just declaring the many elements only. But each element I am mentioned the comma. So for the separation I mentioned the comma only. But this is internally treated as a tuple object. This is internally treated as a tuple object through Python through tuple function only. T2 equal to tuple of int of t3 through built-in function, through tuple function only we can declare in the, or we can create in the tuple object. Int t3 t2 t3, that is the name, right? T3 is not available. Okay. See if let's see. So in the first way is creating a single element after the comma in the parenthesis is mentioned. In the second way I am accepting the parenthesis I declare the tuple object. In the third way is through tuple built-in function only we can create in the tuple object. Like this way we can create in the tuple object along with the coming in the future way. So tuple is immutable object. Tuple, why it has immutable object? If we are trying to delete in the specific item only, this tuple is not item deletion or item addition or item is modified, is tuple object is not supported. That's why this is called as a immutable object. Tuple supports homogeneous and heterogeneous means in the last list data type already we discussed what is the homogeneous, what is the heterogeneous. Homogeneous means items are having the same data type. Heterogeneous means items are having the multiple data types only. In the same way tuple also supported the both homogeneous and heterogeneous elements only. And coming to tuple allows the duplicate elements only. Tuple allows the duplicate elements. I am declaring the one variable 1 2 3 4 2 3 print t1. So I am commented this lines. So I am commenting this line. Now I am running the file. So this is the proof of tuple is following the duplicate elements. Next one is tuple supports concatenation and repetition. Tuple supports concatenation and repetition. How concatenation perform works and repetition works, and already we discussed in the list data type only. So in the same way only tuple also supported the concatenation and repetition. Int T1 equal to T2 equal to T1 equal to 1, 2, 3, T2 equal to 4, 5, 6. Now I am creating the T3 T1 plus T2 and print of T3. See, if it is the double object is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And coming to the repetition purpose, repetition also it is supported. For that I am clearing the T4 equal to rs print T1 star 2 till repeating that 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the proof of tuple supports concatenation and repetition. Okay. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. If you have any doubts, please comment it. Definitely I will reply your comments. Thank you friends.